Hi, Chris. I found this song called "For Chris." You can see that date there, 1997. And anyway, I was just going through some stuff and I found it, and I don't remember exactly how it goes. And I've tried a little bit of something, I don't know, but anyway, I thought maybe you'd like to hear kind of how I think it maybe goes. So I thought I'd give it a shot. So, um, having one of those long days, those slow days. My plan has failed me again. It's been one of those rainy days, those cold days. Can't seem to get out of bed. Then I look to the sky, and in your eyes I see my stars still shining. I catch myself smiling. I've always been a dreamer, a believer, a stargazer, an unashamed idealist, yet still a realist, a midnight painter of sorts. But I have these moments where the black oil bitter waters take me down to the tears. I know you won't believe this, but you're the sweetest friend I've ever had. And I'm not sure about this God thing, but if I meet him, I'll thank him for that. 'Cause I can look to the sky, and in your eyes I see my stars still shining, and I catch myself smiling. I look to the sky, and in your eyes I see my stars still shining, and I'll catch myself smiling. So, love you. Always have, always will.